This year's Ngā Taonga Toi Te Waka Toi 2022 Awards were held over the weekend, celebrating artistic excellence in customary and contemporary Māori arts, and were broadcast on Te Waka Toi's YouTube channel. Recipients of the Ngā Manu Pirere Emerging Māori Artist Award were also announced. Here's our reporter Marina Mane with the story.
The Ngā Manu Pirere Emerging Māori Artist Award went to 3 recipients. Ngā Makorota of Waikato and Ngāti Mahuta was raised in Te Ao Māori and used her artist flair of kapahaka and performing arts.
Being curious about kapahaka and wanting to really deepen my understanding of, the art form of kapahaka and also the art form of performance and a Pākehā outlook, and merging those two worlds together and seeing what's there, because I know there's so much there. I wanted to go more towards filmmaking, which I am right now. I'm making my first kiriata. I think that's my kind of, the outward self of me. My rongo is, especially being at Elam, I'd probably be doing a bit of contemporary art, exhibitions and going more inward. And I think I should go more inward before showing my whakaata, my tū.
Coming from an artistic whānau with her mother being a photographer, Ming Ranginui of Te Atiho Nui a Pāpārangi re-imaged her Daihatsu car into a home in her latest piece, and her inspiration came from her grandmother.
I often will have an idea and then convince myself it's really bad, and then ultimately go back to it because it's actually good. So you just need to trust in yourself. And I think the hardest thing to do is start. You just have to start. I think I put off my whole time at uni till my last year to actually begin because I was too afraid. I think it is a really vulnerable thing to make art and share it.
The last of the recipients is P. Walters of Ngāti Kuri, who explores the effects of colonialism on indigeneity through subverting European and Christian imagery and texts and re-imaging it in a Māori context.
I'm very protective over my image and myself and my privacy, so I hope you don't take it personally, whoever's watching. I'm very angry with how the state of this place is going, and just collectively as a species, it's so detrimental to this planet and to everything, all life on this planet, and it's not taken seriously enough, and it's not addressed enough, it's not genuinely embraced as a problem enough, and that is just something that I try to communicate through my work, through my mahi, is take this seriously. It's, your grandkids aren't gonna have a planet, aren't gonna have a home.
A total of 16 Māori artists were recognised from a range of creative backgrounds for their contribution to Ngā Toi Māori. Marina Mane, Te Ao Tapatahi.